Hello. Hi. Welcome to our project Voice Coach. Voice Coach is an AI interview coach that practices with you in real time. You pick a role and a company, you answer out loud with or without video. The app transcribes you, reads your voice for stress and confidence, extracts skills from what you said, and when you're on camera, gives feedback on your setup. The coach then picks the next question and tone by itself. We use 5 integrations: Modulate for voice, Reka for vision, uTori for the live web, and for Pioneer or Fastino for skill extraction, and Neo4j for memory. We also use uTori for generating insights based on our audio answers. On setup, when we choose the role and the company. Behind the scenes, uTori starts a scout and runs browsing to build a company brief from the web. Neo4j will store every answer and every coach decision for this session. Neo4j also stores information over multiple sessions to help improve, keep context, and improve the user's experience, as well as show the user more information about how they can improve to be a better interviewee. The first question comes from your role and company. uTori is building the company brief in the background so we can tailor follow-up questions to that company's expectations. Now we'll show you a quick demo. So once you submit the answer, Modulate turns audio into transcript plus stress, confidence, and pacing. We use that for the coach's tone and the voice bars and tip. Pioneer runs the fine-tuned NER on the transcript and returns entities for the competency map and for Neo4j. Neo4j stores the answers and those entities. Then we store the coach's decision, which includes tone, next question, and reason. The orchestrator picks the next question from the job description, uTori's company brief, or Neo4j's entity coverage. If a video frame was sent, RecaVision returns image-based feedback on posture, lighting, and background. We show that as visual impression. uTori does not fact check per answer. Fact check runs only when you open the report. And as you can see here, uTori Scout has shown us multiple links, which include interview tips and other behavioral questions to expect based on the role that was given. We also have visual impression feedback, which includes your posture, the lighting, your gaze, and other background and other information. It concludes that the candidate's attire is appropriate for the interview and the overall presentation is polished and professional. We also have Neo4j context graph, which stores each and every answer over sessions. So you have more context and you can generate important questions. On screen, you see Modulate's voice metrics and our voice tips, Pioneer's entities in the competency map, and the next question. If you had the video on, Reka's visual impression is there too. The question may have come from the job description, the company brief from uTori, or from the filling gaps in your coverage using Neo4j. When you end the session, we build a report from Neo4j, your answers, entities, and the coach's decisions. The uTori fact check also runs at this moment and helps add to the report. We also check claims from your answers and show how many were verified and what might need a source. So in one line each, Modulate is used for voice, Reka for visual feedback when you're on camera, uTori for the live web and fact check in the report, Pioneer for skill extraction and the competency map, and Neo4j for memory and for choosing the next question. Thank you for watching.